LPU Batangas, we continuously innovate to enhance teaching and learning experiences. One of our key initiatives is the myLPU eLearning Guide. To support faculty in adapting to digital learning, we created a structured and engaging training program. This course provides a clear, step-by-step guide to mastering OpenLMS, making digital teaching more effective and efficient. With 4 progressive levels, faculty can learn at their own pace and gradually advance their LMS skills. To make learning more engaging, we integrated gamification. Faculty earn certificates and badges as they progress. Each level includes assessments. Faculty receive instant feedback, ensuring a continuous learning process. With myLPU eLearning Guide, we've seen a significant increase in LMS engagement among both faculty and students. Our personalized and gamified approach has made learning more interactive and effective. This initiative has transformed how our faculty utilize OpenLMS, creating a more effective and engaging learning environment at LPU Batangas.